Hi. While India celebrates the open defecate free status by building record high toilets, the next crisis is slowly growing, which is the untreated fecal sludge waste. The vision of Swachh Bharat Mission 2014 is universal free access of toilet. A decade later, around 120 million toilets were built in India. Most of the rural area declared open defecate free, which is called as ODF. Now India needs to enter the second phase of ODF plus, which is a systematic safely managing the sludge waste. Let's see the today article editorial from the Hindu. Sludge waste, the blind spot of the sanitation policy. Why? Because most of the rural India still depends on the septic tank or the pit. And the systematic and scheduled desludging is lacking there. Not only that, the waste is dumped most of the time untreated, which is lead to lot of health hazards in the rural area. The second point is urban infrastructure is a matter for rural area too. The urban area heavily invested on FSTP, fecal sludge treatment plant. It also highly invested in co-treatment plants like along with sewage treatment plants. Let's take an example of an innovative experiment in Maharashtra in Satara district, where they have a FSTP of 65,000 liter per day treating capacity. So they linked nearby 4 villages to this treatment plant. And the Panchayat also contracted and scheduled desludging for the next 5 years. Now let's see what is the challenges here. Not all the rural area is near to this FSTP plant. Transportation of this sludge over a long distance will be costly. So what is the way forward? Institutionalize the urban and the rural sludge linkages. Strengthen the Panchayat capacity. The desludge should happen in a scheduled way, not at ad hoc. Then motivate cluster-based FSTP in rural areas too. So the Swachh Bharat mission is a great legacy, and it's not only celebrating the toilets built in record high, it should also be the better system for the safe management of these fecal sludges. Thank you. Now we can move to the sample Q&A for civil service aspirants. Others can skip from here. So first, let's see the preliminary questions. So first question, with reference to fecal sludge management, FSM in India, consider the following statement. Fecal sludge refers to partially treated or untreated waste collected from on-site sanitation system such as septic tanks and pits. Urban sewage treatment plants can't treat fecal sludge generated in rural areas. Scheduled desludging helps in reducing health risks and environmental contamination. Which of the statements given above is correct? So among this option A, B, C, D, the correct answer is A, 1 and 3 only. Now let's see the second question. Consider the following pairs: initiative or concept. The right side is primary objective. So the initiative like ODF plus, and second is scheduled desludging. Third is cluster level FSTP. Now let's see the right side. Primary objective: sustaining sanitation outcomes beyond toilet construction, safe and periodic removal of fecal sludge, economy of scale in rural sanitation. Which of the pair given above is correctly matched? The correct answer is D. All the three are correctly matched. Comment your opinion if you feel the there might be a different option or answer for this. So the third question, which of the following is advantages of urban rural sanitation partnership? Option 1, optimal utilization of existing urban treatment infrastructure, reduction in informal and unsafe desludging practice, elimination of the need for rural sanitation financing. Select the correct answer using the code below. Among this, option A is correct, which is 1 and 2 only, not the third one. Thank you for the aspirants and all the best. Always rely on the official sites like UPSC, Niti Aayog and other minister sites for data and the proper information. Thank you. Kindly comment your opinion of any suggestions or any explanation about the Q&A.